So we're solving powers, and we say if the base is the same, well then the powers have to be the same as well, right? So if 11 to the 2x equals 11 to 8, well, the bases are the same. These powers, the 2x must equal 8. So in the question 1, we're left with 2x equals 8. Now, when I solve questions, I say, what is by the x? What is by the x? And this will work later on in the other assignments. What is by the h, or what is by the r? What is it doing? What is it doing? Is it multiplying the x? Is it dividing by the x? Is it adding or subtracting? Do the opposite to both sides. Do opposite to both sides. Okay, so let's have a look. So what's by the x here? There's a 2. What's it doing? It's multiplying, because it's 2 times x. So we do the opposite to both sides. So I'm going to divide this side by 2, and I divide that side by 2, because I got to be fair. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's like 1 left here, so it's just 1x. X equals 8 divided by 2 is 4, and we're done. Question number 2. The bases are the same, so the powers have to be the same. So we got x plus 1 equals negative 5. So what's by the x? There's a 1. What's it doing? It's adding. So what's the opposite? We need to subtract both sides from 1. So we got x plus 1, I take away 1, equals negative 5, I take away 1. 1 minus 1, think of them as gone, it's 0. So x equals negative 5 minus 1, I lost $5, I lost another $1, I lost $6. Or use your calculator if you need to. Question 3, 5 to the 2x equals 5 to the 7. 5 to the 2x equals 5 to the 7. Okay, so the bases are the same, so the powers must be the same. 2x must equal 7. Look and say, what's by the x? It's a 2. What to do with multiplying? Divide both sides by 2. That's the opposite. That's gone. I'm left with x equals 7 over 2. 3.5 if you want, or 3.5. If it's a horrible decimal, please leave it as a fraction, whether it's a mixed fraction like this or an improper fraction. If it ends up being like 3.622234511, then just leave it as a regular fraction, please. Okay, and I hope those help you.